Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Crystal Patrice, and as you can see by this title, I got some products that I picked up from Sephora yesterday, and I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. Now, I have three products that I'm going to be using in this video, and I'm going to give my thoughts towards the end of this video if I like the product or not. Definitely stay tuned. It's been a while since I've been recorded a video and uploaded it. I've really been like head focused into school, and as some of you know, I am in school for esthetician, so I'm super excited about that. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So the first product I'm going to show you in this video is the Makeup Forever Shine Control Primer. So it says that this is a mattifying makeup primer that absorbs oil to control shine, delivers a blur, velvety finish, and extends makeup wear. This is for normal oily and combination skin type. This is what it looks like out of the packaging. I'm gonna just put my mirror here so I can see myself. This is what it looks like on my finger. And I'm pretty much just gonna put this in the areas that I get oily, which is my T-zone area. So while I let this primer just sit and absorb on my face, I'm going to go ahead and start on my brows off camera, and I'll be right back in the gym. Okay guys, so I did my brows off camera. I know this one looks a little crazy, but I'm going to fix it once we get into the new foundation that I purchased. But back to that primer, it is very blurring. Very blurring. My pores, I don't even see my pores in the areas that I put it in, especially my nose. It's a little ashy, but I don't see it in my nose. So far it's a plus for me. I really like it. I really like Makeup Forever products, especially their foundation. I really love that. So I didn't expect anything less from this primer, but I am loving it. And it says it's a 20-hour primer. So I ain't gonna keep my makeup on that long, but we gonna see. So next up, I did get a foundation. I got the Haus by Lady Gaga. I got the shade 450, which is medium deep warm. Now, when I did this, the foundation match, this is not the one they said I should use, but this is the one I think I need. So hopefully I picked the right one. So this is the box, packaging of the box. And it's just your basic box. The bottle is gorgeous. I mean, just looking at it, it's, it is in a frosted type bottle. But looking at it, I feel like this could be my shade. I hope this is my shade. Bottle looks super pretty. Hope it's a pump. Okay, it's not. So I'm just gonna shake this up a little bit. Oh, it is a pump. It says this foundation is a medium coverage, weightless, clean foundation with fermented arnica that helps reduce redness and protects from the environmental stress. So I put 2 squirts on my little spatula thing here. I need to clean my brushes as well. So I don't know. I think this is like a little on the dark side for me. I don't know. Maybe it oxidizes. We gonna see, but let's hope it oxidizes. Like, it doesn't look too bad on camera, but in my actual mirror, it does look a little dark. But it is a pretty nice foundation. So foundation looks pretty good. Kind of like it. Again, I think the shade is a little darker, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I kind of like it. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next product that I got, which is the LYS. This is their No Limits Cream Bronzer Stick. I have mine in the shade Courage. And this is the packaging, which is their usual shape and size. This is a clean, tack-free, buildable cream bronzer that visibly sculpts, defines, and livens up the complexion with a silky smooth, blendable formula. So we're gonna see. This is very creamy. Oh my god, it just glides on so smoothly. I don't know if I want to do. I love to contour my chin. The brush I'm using is a Morphe E63 brush. I kind of like it, actually. I really do like it. Let me just go over it with my foundation brush. So it kind of takes away that harsh line. How you guys like my lighting today? Because I had added some tabletop lighting. You know, guys, I'm working with a limited space, so I'm trying to get the lighting perfect. As you can see, I've added a mic, so I hope this is really picking up very clearly. I hope it's, I'm just trying to perfect my videos, my audio, visuals. I'm just trying to be better, especially when I'm working in this space here. So definitely let me know in the comments below, because like I'm trying to improve any way I can. The hardest thing for me is the consistency, but I think the only thing I can say is that it's the consistency for me. I'm trying to be better, but with school and work and working late hours, having to change my schedule to accommodate, you know, still getting my hours weekly, and school, it has become a lot. But I'm going to try to at least moving forward, try to post once a week. Give or take, some videos may be short, some videos may be a little long, like some makeup videos, but I'm going to try my best to find some consistency. It's going to be pretty hard, and I hope you guys still hang with me and work with me. But yeah, I definitely just appreciate that you guys have still stayed with me during this time. So enough talking, let's just run through this. So,
Secret helps eliminate.
So guys, this is the finished look. As far as these products, I give it a 10 out of 10 straight across on each product. Like, I really, really, really love each product. The primer definitely blurs. It felt so smooth and silky. It definitely is what it described it to be. As far as the foundation, it just blended well with my skin. It blended well with the rest of the makeup. The contour stick went on perfectly. It's so creamy, so smooth. It glided on super, super well. It blended very, very well. Like, I have no complaints on any other products that I showed you guys in this video. With everything put together, I think this is a pretty, like, summery night look. If you try these products and you do like them, definitely let me know in the comments below if it was something that you didn't like about these products, or if you tried them and you didn't like them. Definitely let me know in the comments below, and let me just see your way of thinking of what you didn't like about this product. But again, I have no complaints. Everything went on very, very well. So with that being said, thank you guys for continuing to support me and my channel. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you guys get notified whenever I post a new video. With that being said, see you guys next time. Bye.